Hey guys, welcome back. So, recently I've been seeing this hack method everywhere. People saying you can get unlimited bucks in Bullet Echo just using your phone. No computer, nothing complicated. At first, I didn't really believe it. It sounded a bit too good to be true. But I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did step by step, and at the end, we'll check the results together. Let's get into it. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. Once I got on the site, I just used the search bar to look up the Bullet Echo Bucks hack. After that, it asked me to pick my device. I'm using Android, but there was an option for iPhone too. Then I typed in my player ID, checked it quickly to make sure I didn't mess anything up, and pressed continue. Next, it asked me how many bucks I wanted. Since this was just a test, I picked the highest amount to see if it actually works. After I confirmed it, a few loading bars showed up like it was processing everything step by step. It was pretty easy to follow what was going on. Right before the end, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were simple and didn't take long to finish. I already did that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and see what happened in the end. To check if it actually worked, I opened Bullet Echo again and looked at my bucks. And yeah, they were there. No restarting the game, no waiting around. It just showed up right away, which I didn't expect. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried something like this and if it worked for you. If this helped, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this where I test things out. See you in the next one.